In this video, I'm going to go over one of the best kind of beat 'em up style games that I've played in a long time. This one is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge. By the way, there's several versions of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Make sure you get the Shredder's Revenge. I play this mostly in docked mode, not really necessarily as like the handheld mode like this, but it's so fun to play. It's got up to 1 to 6 players. You can play online. This has beautiful artwork in it. It has a retro style feel to it. The voice acting is really good in this from all of the characters. They sound amazing in this, everybody. It just works. The thing is, this game just works so well for the Switch 2. I have been so impressed with it. It runs flawlessly. I don't see any issues with this at all. What I like is the fact that I love a game that I can just pick up, play for a little while, get to a certain spot, put down, then go do something else, come back and play again, and I don't have to remember where did I have to get a key. These open world games could take so much of your life. This is something I recommend for anyone that just wants a good retro style game on the Switch 2 or Switch that is fun to play, pick up, play for a while, put down, go do something, come back, play again, and just have a great time, whether it's by yourself or with your kids or with several other people online. That's all I got on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder Revenge for the Switch and Switch 2. See y'all in the next video.